Hello YouTube, quick update. It's update 3 of the blizzard or winter storm Jonas. It's in New York City, Northeast, in the Mid-Atlantic, from January 22nd to 24th, 2016. It is 5 a.m. It shouldn't be down here right now. I know it doesn't look like a lot of snow, but the super put salt out. There is a good amount of snow out so far. It's really windy. I'll open the door real quick. I have light clothes on, but I'm gonna. Oh, it's cold. Wow. Oh. Yeah, no one's out. It's dead. I'm gonna run to the street real quick just to show you guys. Wow. The snow is already pretty deep. Yeah, it's dead. Not a person in sight. I see a car flashing its headlights down there. Maybe it's stuck. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube. It's going to be a real short video. Rate, comment, subscribe. Check out my previous videos if you haven't seen them yet. And I'll make the next video, I guess, after I wake up. See you guys.